Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will see how we can regain the visibility of a visor. How can we not change the visor when it has got a lot of scratches, water residues, and something that we cannot repair or do anything about it, but get a new one and change it. So, if you follow the procedure that I'm going to take you through step by step, you will be able to regain the originality or the visibility that you had to that you used to have when the helmet was new. We all know that we have helmets that shell looks good inside. We wash it and keep it clean, and the helmet looks brand new once we do that. Uh, but when it comes to visor, we don't know what to do. And not a lot of video on internet, or not a lot of people who know, and then we end up replacing the entire visor. Today in this video, I will take you through the procedure of sanding the visor. Now, do it along with me, and you will be able to achieve some hygiene or cleanliness on your visor, some visibility, clarity on your visor. So we will first sand the visor as much as it need. Once we done sanding, we'll see the scratches are gone. If once the scratches are gone, we will take some compound, the rubbing compound, and once we will take some rubbing compound, and then we will go through the entire visor cleaning with the machine or by hand. You can do it by hand as well in case you don't have the machine, and then we will see the result if we are able to get the visor back to its original condition. So stay connected, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel because we make such videos, and there are a lot more videos coming up in the future as well. And when you subscribe, it gives a lot of motivation to somebody like me who has a small channel now. So be sure to subscribe and stay connected. Watch this video till the end, and we will clean up the visor today. So I have my machine here. I have ordered the pads, the smaller one for especially for the visor, and to do on the helmet as well. Next video we may also try to do the shell cleaning, and if we can regain the shine or the finish that it had when we bought it new. So for now, I'm gonna put a tape, or maybe I'm gonna just mark and do only on the right side. This actually has these things on the the issue of the water corrosion or the scratches from inside more because of the I use this helmet on long rides more. So whenever I've ridden in rainy season, maybe because of that, this is bad in the outer side. So we will remove it, and then I'll show you the process. So let's go ahead and open the visor first. So all you have to do is pull this red lever down and pull it outwards. That's it, it's gonna come out. Do the same on the other side, and don't break it, be careful, because there is this is never been opened. So let me just open this from this side. The visor was stuck here, so it was difficult to remove otherwise. Okay, so I have the 2000 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to take a small piece of it. I'm not going to waste the entire thing, so I took a small piece of 2000 grit sandpaper. I'm going to wet it. If you're doing it at home, you have this what do you call this? You have this. Now all you have to do is wet the sandpaper and then look out for the area. So we will do this side and see the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing the sanding slowly. Now when you're doing it, you should be able to feel with your hand the scratches, because since it's wet you won't be able to see it. If you feel it, if you feel that there are no scratches, or if you're able to see that there are no scratches, then you can stop, wash it, and move on to the next procedure. I don't see it yet, so I'm just keep doing it. I cleaned it. If you see, you see uh, you see the difference. Okay, now what you see smudges, this is what happens when you thoroughly clean it with the sandpaper. We will remove this with the compound, but you have to be sure that this it becomes like this, and then the scratches have gone. But I think there are a few more left
in this area, and then I'm going to do it from inside as well, just to be sure that the scratches are gone from both the sides. I'm going to finish this. I'm going to finish sanding the entire visor, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I got my sorry so I got my rotary machine. I'm going to fix this one to it. Yeah, so this I ordered this on Amazon for about 500 rupees. I got a set of cutting pads and all of it. So now I'm gonna just hold this. This is a heavy machine, so yeah. This, and we will apply some onto it, and then we'll see the result. So with the power of the machine, I think it's just gonna fly away. I don't know how do I hold it and do it, but we will try it. Let me see. Let me get the. So I ordered 3M's rubbing compound. I think this should be fine. This should do the job enough. It's a new one, so just gonna break it open. Just gonna apply a few on the spots. Now, now we will okay, we will do the outer side first, and then we will do the inner. Now, let me try doing it. So I'm just using the woolen one just to spread it. Then I'll use my cutting pad to actually have the polish one. You can already see a lot of difference. I'm gonna do one more round, then I'll show you guys. So you can see this part is done and it's clear, right? And this part, it's not done, it's not clear. You can see through the light. Yeah. So this is how it is done. Once you sand it down and do the compound with the machine or hand, you can get this finish. Now I'm going to do the entire visor, put it on the helmet, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Stay tuned. So I'm done. Finally the sanding and compounding is done. I did it with the machine and partially with hand too. Now you can see the visor is much cleaner. I did the entire end-to-end visor because since it was the old helmet I used to use on going on a road trip. I had to do the compounding twice. Now if you see my other helmets, I'm gonna do it on them as well, so you can do it on your helmet as well. And yeah, once you do it, you can come back and comment and let me know if it worked for you or not. And that's it for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other method that we can bring back the visor clarity back to its original. Now till my next video, take care, have fun, ride safe, cheers.